Okay, so last video didn't turn out that well because it didn't show the menu. So here we go. We'll be able to see it now. So how to import files into DaVinci Resolve. So you go up here to File, then you go to Import, then you go to Media, then you go to your folder where your files are to, whichever files you want. Highlight them all, press Open, and then it will say deselect it. If it's in a different frame rate, it will say this message here, and you just press change. That's what I do. Then your files are imported in the right frame rate and so on. So that's how you import into DaVinci Resolve. That's step one for my group. So the group is Newfound Drone Connection if anybody wants to join it. I'm going to be doing tutorials like this for DaVinci Resolve. And thanks to Matt North, I can do this because I learned off him. So if you want to check out Matt North's channel, it's Northeast Drone Productions, I think. He's from Australia. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description if you want to go over there and check out his videos. He does quite good videos, so stay tuned.